Are you hungry? Do you want some ribs? How about some ribs in the slow cooker? Now we're going to need a couple ingredients to make these. And he is not one of them. Really? Say hi. For these ribs, we're going to use some country style ribs that we have. We're going to use some sugar-free hickory barbecue sauce. I have some minced onions and a rib rub that we're going to use for this. It's a very simple recipe, and it's very, very good. What I like to do is give them a rough seasoning before I put them in my slow cooker. And then we'll add more because we gotta flip them over. Do you have a favorite kind of ribs? Flip them over. Normally I use fresh onions, but I don't have any today, so we'll be using the minced. Snug as a bug. Well, before we put that one on there, we should season the rest of it, right? Minced onion. Grab the rest of our ribs, put them in here. You can use whatever seasonings you want. These are what I have available to me. Because you are the ones going to be eating it. Once our meat is nicely seasoned, we will add some barbecue sauce. I like to add a generous amount. If we cover the top one, it tends to all cook down to the rest of it all. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you prefer. Right, and then we're going to cover this like so. We're going to set this for low for 8 hours and then check back. After 8 hours, this is how mine came out. But are they good? That is the question. Time to make a plate. Fork tender. Tender as butter. I highly recommend this. I make this often. This is the easiest way I found to do it. If you could leave a like and a comment, it helps a lot. Don't forget, subscribe. 90% of the people who've seen my videos are not subscribed. Have a great night and wonderful eating.